Hi everybody, welcome back. It's been a few weeks since I posted a video, and this one's a little bit of a special one. The other day, Thursday, I got a package in the mail, and I didn't know who it came from. I didn't recognize the address or the person's name on the box, and there was nothing inside it except for some 3D printed figures. And I was baffled because normally I keep, if I order something, I keep emails, receipts, stuff like that, so I know when stuff is coming. But a few hours later, I actually got a really nice email from Doug Hensley asking if I had received the package. And first of all, thank you, Doug. I don't know what I did to deserve it, but he ended up having someone drop ship to me some 3D printed figures for me to paint. And here's one of them. I kind of just set this one together. It's just kind of being held together by hopes and wishes at the moment. The arms will probably fall off in a second. But there's some really, really nice detail on here. So I'm not sure who did the 3D printing, but some really, really nice detail on here, especially on the face. This will be a fun one. Lots of good hair in there too. Lots of detail to paint in there. The sword is going to be a good thing to paint too. Lots of detail, lots of nooks and crannies in that. So there was this one. And then also I've got this one kind of held together with blue tack. Oops, it's falling apart. See if I can get this back together here. Yeah, it's falling apart. Put that down. So there's this other warrior, female warrior. If I can get the head to stay in there. And I'll show you the other pieces on this. Another really nice sculpt, 3D printed sculpt here. Really, really nice detail. The hair is going to be amazing to paint. You'll be able to put lots of layers into that. I mean, look at that. That's just going to be amazing. Again, I haven't trimmed all the pieces off here because I can use those to help hold with clips and things like that while I'm painting it, so I'm not touching the figure too much. Gotta wash them and all. There's some great detail on the face. Look at that. Wonderful work on that necklace. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Look at the feathers on there too. Great detail. And the detail on the armor. I'm gonna take her head off for a second. Anyway. Look at the detail on the armor there. I mean, it's just fantastic. The detail in the leather, the strap here. I mean, absolutely amazing. I'll show you a couple of the other pieces that are over here. She's falling apart. Look at that arm, the brazier. Or not brazier, bracer. I mean, lots and lots of detail. Here's the staff that she's holding. Look at that. That is going to be amazing to paint. Cleanup to do. Looks like she's got some antlers. That'll be really fun to paint too. Look at that. And here's her other arm. Yeah. Again, Doug, thank you very, very much. Look at this back part of her cape. Thank you very, very much, Doug. I'm awestruck. I don't quite know what I did to deserve this, and I do appreciate it. So I wanted to make sure I got this out here to say thank you publicly to you. Thank you very much, my friend. As most of you all know Doug. If you're not, I will put a link in the bottom in the description to go follow his page. He is a fantastic builder, pillar of the community, just a wonderful, wonderful person. And everybody should be following him. He should have 1 million followers at this point. I mean, he is so good. He is such a gentleman, and just overall great person. So again, Doug, thank you very much, my friend. I do appreciate that. I hope everybody is doing well. You can see the desk is a mess. I am actually working on stuff, but I'm not going to bother with that today. I wanted to say thank you, Doug, for these figures. Much appreciated, and I hope everybody is doing well. And I will have a video up probably in another week of the current project because it's almost done. And I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye.